What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Our phone had got lost. We were looking for it, and we thought somebody had taken it, but just to find out it was actually on a fridge this whole time,
And it got wet.
and it got water damage.
Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Still water inside. Doesn't look good. So much water. Water everywhere.
Yeah, you go for the toilet.
Alright, bro.
Alright.
I got bad news for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's not working.
it's not.
Nope. Your phone is ready.
Oh, brand new.
Le pueden poner el
Nice.
chip in his side?
Here, I will put it in.
Sweet. Neat.
Yeah. Thank you.
You
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
no problem.